In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound in Steam games. If a game launches in silence, we'll walk through the most reliable fixes, starting with quick checks and moving to a couple of system tweaks. Begin inside the game itself. Open the audio or sound menu and make sure nothing is muted. Confirm that the master volume, music, sound effects, and voice sliders are all set to reasonable levels, not pushed all the way down. Some games can reset these after updates or when switching audio devices, so it's worth double-checking before changing anything else. Next, let's verify Windows is sending audio to the right device. Press the Windows key and R together, type mmsys.cpl, and press Enter. On the Playback tab, select your main speakers or headset and set it as the default device. Use the Test button to confirm sound plays through the device you expect. While you're there, confirm the volume isn't muted and that enhancements aren't blocking audio. Then switch to the Recording tab and make sure the correct microphone is selected if your issue appears during voice chat or when push-to-talk triggers. Misrouted input and output can cause odd behavior in some games. If sound still isn't coming through, update your audio driver. Open Device Manager from the Start menu, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, and choose Update Driver. Select the automatic option so Windows can grab a newer driver if one is available. Updated drivers often fix compatibility issues that show up only in certain games. Now return to Steam. In your library, right-click the game that has no sound, choose Properties, go to Installed Files or Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This replaces any missing or corrupted audio files without re-downloading the entire game. Wait for the check to finish, then relaunch the game and test audio again. If you're still stuck, give Steam elevated permissions. Right-click the Steam shortcut or steam.exe, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, enable Run this program as an administrator, then apply and OK. Close and reopen Steam so the change takes effect. If only one specific game has the issue, set that game's executable to run as admin 2. In the game's properties, go to Installed Files, click Browse, right-click the games.exe, open Properties, switch to Compatibility, and enable Run this program as an administrator. That's it. Follow these steps in order, and you should get your audio back. Thanks for watching.